the heck?
You try again? Go give Mikey a kiss. Go give Mikey a kiss.
Give Mikey kisses.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Mikey?
Moving.
What's Mikey doing? He's moving.
Go give him a kiss. It's okay.
He's almost smiled.
Go
He's
give him a
smiling,
kiss.
yeah.
Can you go give your brother a kiss? Go give baby Mikey some kisses.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's a nice kiss. What a big sister. You're a good big sister. Ah. Mikey says, I love you, Parker.
Oh. Oh wow.
Mikey says, I love you.
Mwah.
You give more kisses?
Oh wow.
Good job, big sister. High five. You big sister.
Wow.
Good job kissing your baby brother.